activities or run gathering other activities every day they are involved. I'm really happy that biomedical engineering department and the ECE department made a lot of courage.
Very good morning to all. So first of all, thanks to management, chairman sir, as well as vice chairman sir, and also the principal sir, HOD of the EC and the biomedical department, and also the governor of this FDP program, Dr. Kumar sir, for inviting me for this FDP program as a chief guest. So I am very happy to be here and also to be part of this particular FDP program. I think we already have a lot of so many days we have discussed about your FDP program with your Anand sir, and finally we came to know that it's approved, and I am very happy to because it is not an easy task to get approved for FDP from Atal. It is a lengthy process.
We are having some particular formula. Okay, that formula is this one. Okay, so
the healing. Again, biocompatibility. As I said, once you place it, it should not cause any sepsis, blood clots around, any other further complication. It should not happen. Secondary surgery. I am implanting a pacemaker. Within a month, it is failure. Then I have to resurgery. See, financial constraint is secondary, but the patient suffering is the primary thing which we have to concentrate on. Next slide, please. Let them also know. Patient cannot survive. See, if the implanted pacemaker fails to work, his question is, if the pacemaker fails, how will the patient survive? Obviously, the patient cannot survive. They will undergo a chest pain, ECG will be taken. If something could be done within that span of time, okay.
So I am going to concentrate on now first a few topics. What are smart cities and what are the features? How do you establish a smart city in our regular life? Later on, I am going to concentrate on IoT and healthcare systems based on the given topic to me. So the given topic to me is design and development of a lab view. Lab view means laboratory view. That's one kind of software tool. Based on that, now you can establish a system. You can establish a system, right? So in order to give the solution the people are facing in regular life, right? In our regular life, you take the people are crossing 45 or 50. You ask your dad or mommy, right? So so I'm getting back problem. So few issues you are frequently instrumentation now in order to measure our all regular activities. Okay, for example, you take to take our anatomy, our body, right? We are using now all measuring systems to us. So what are the physical variable to us now? You take velocity. What is the basic unit of velocity? What is the basic unit of velocity? Speed, meter per second, right? What is the unit of time? Second. What is the unit of any physical parameter? Temperature, Kelvin or something, all physical parameters, right? So in order to handle, you take climate changes, environmental parameters, how to measure. That is a typical question for us. How to predict?
Mumbai. Very good. Who told? Okay, very good. What's your name? Navadaya. Oh, super. Very good. Okay. Now tell why it is smart city. What are the features that particular city has? Why it is called a smart city? What are the features the city should have so that it will have the level of smart city? Lot of companies should be there. Okay, industries. Okay, so opportunities for the job. So you feel that that is a smart city. Okay, any other? What more? Advanced technology should be there. What is your name? Naveen Kumar. Okay, advanced technology. So what is advanced technology? What are the latest or advanced technologies you are aware? 5G communication. So if your city is communicated, okay, or architecture.
How this session helps you to shape your career, okay, and the requirements of your career. Okay, so that is what is the prime, okay, objective of this session. So I need to talk about the healthcare. Okay, when it comes to smart city, I took the topic of, okay, integrated traffic management using a radar sensor, okay, where things can be managed. It is part of the IoT. Okay, it also helps in various healthcare that when things is going, okay, forward, we can look at that. Okay. Before going to that one, okay, what is the necessary of, okay, how many of you are in different streams? How many of you belongs to electrical streams? No? Electronic streams? Just raise.
What we are going to do is we are going to make a machine to think. Understand that? Okay. So A is nothing but this is the only one dimension. Okay. So we are going to make the machines to think. Okay. So for example, here the people are there. So if anyone come and see the class. Okay. So how many people are there? Okay. So how many boys? How many girls? We can identify using the key. So we are doing the same task with the help of the machine. Understand that? Okay. So like that, all the places we are going to replace artificial intelligence. Okay. So artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence. It's a simulation of human intelligence. Okay. So we are facing a lot of problems. We are taking decision with a lot of places. Okay. So how we are taking like that, we are make the machines to do. Okay.
Working as a team R&D in Siddharth Institute of Technology. First of all, I want to thank the community for giving me this opportunity in the good health. And I want to thank my management, Siddharth Institute of Technology, and the management of J.N.N, and all the team related to Atal FDP for giving this wonderful opportunity. And I want to tell the special thanks to my friend and colleague, sir, Dr. P.G. Kusami sir. He is a very good friend and a colleague of me, and he is a good motivator. And for the past 3 years I am working with him. He is very active in research, and he motivated us to involve in research, so that only I contributed in writing proposals. Everything I have done because of his motivation. And he invited me to deliver something on this healthcare components, so that
it is an acid, something like that. So it will give a decision based on the report itself. The last one, automation and control. It is actually one of the very good, let's say it is application one. So what it will do, it will design itself and it will give the result in automatic ways. So one of the example is given here. A smart thermostat can automatically adjust the temperature.
To have an ADC. What is an ADC? So basically sensor not only transmit the data. So I will just say one example. Have you heard about transducer? Transducer is converting one form of energy into another form. Basically, it converts the data received into electrical signals. So a sensor, if I say blindly a sensor or actuator, it will only convert into electrical signals. But if I say a sensor node, it will convert to digital data also and transmit over the field. So it uses, along with it, uses an ADC as a sensing unit, and you have 3 units: sensing unit, processing unit, and transceiver. Along with that, there is a power, because basically sensors nodes are based on battery. So